Isang Korean favorite na pwede mong kainin habang nanonood ka ng K-drama, ang kimbap. Let's start cooking! So essentially, ang kimbap or tinatawag na gimbap, spelling na yung difference. Pero ito siya, we will use bagong saing na kanin. Ideally, short grain rice na yung medyo malagkit-lagkit ng konti. And we will season with salt, asin lang, no? And unlike the Japanese sushi, which uses vinegar, ito siya, wala siyang vinegar, but it uses, guess what? Sesame oil. So I will add around a tablespoon or 2 of sesame oil. Combine natin, no? Until it is evenly seasoned and coated with the sesame oil. And another thing that we will be using is our bamboo mat, no? So ginawa ko dito, I covered it in plastic wrap, no? So it's easier to handle. And we will prepare other ingredients. Tatabi ko muna to, ha? Scrambled our eggs. Salt. So what I will do, I will just add a little bit of vegetable oil. Konti lang. But before our pan is very hot, warm na siya, I will add my scrambled eggs. Yan, no? So we want to make some sort of like a crepe lang, no? Meron akong beef, no? Thinly sliced beef, which I will season with, ito yung ginagamit natin sa samgyup, soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil. Mix lang natin. Mix natin. Ito yung eggs, no? Manage the heat. Dapat hindi masyadong sobrang init, no? Once that's done, gagawin natin. Put aside natin. We will cut it into strips, no? So, ito, part ng ating filling. Yan. Cut into, yan. Set aside natin. Yan. Ito. Ang aking carrots, I will add it to my pan. May asin na yan earlier. And I will also cook it, no? Ito, meron akong luncheon meat, of course. We will also cut into pahaba. So, everything will be matchy-matchy. Meron din akong cucumber dito. Ganun din yung gagawin ko. Cut into strips. Yan. We don't want to brown it. Hindi natin binabrown yung ating carrots. Put it aside. Tuloy-tuloy yan. Magiging malambot as it rests. Yan. And now, it's time for me to cook my beef. Pero kung ayaw mo na magluto ng anything, yung gagawin mo, yung mga ready-to-eat items yung ilalagay mo. Yan. Bilis lang, diba? So, ito siya ating bamboo mat. So, this will help us roll. So, medyo challenging siya gawin pag wala, no? So, how do you wrap ito? Hanapin mo yung part na isa is makintab, yung isa is medyo rough. So, the shiny side, yung makintab na side, is nasa ilalim. Ang magaspang na side, nandito, facing you. And let's add it there. And what I do, sometimes, kasi di ba nagiging malagkit yung ating rice, you have to wet the tip of your fingers. Dapat meron kang bowl of water. Yan. Ito siya para hindi magdikit-dikit yung kamay mo, no? Yan. So, when you press it down, you won't have difficulty. And I will start off, ano bang gusto ko? I want to start off with my beef. Let's go with beef. Spread it, no? Sarap to. I will sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds para maganda. Yan. And I will add carrots. I will use a little bit of my kangkong. Usually, spinach yung gamit nila. Wala akong spinach mabili, And I will also use a little bit of kimchi. Ang sarap niya. One bite, ang daming flavors. And kaya, you need your bamboo mat kasi you will press it down, no? Siksik na siksik, busog na busog like me. Dapat nasa center yung inyong palaman. Tingnan, nasa center ba? Nasa center naman. Press, 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 and tatabi muna natin. Very nice, no? So, pwede mong i-square off kung gusto mo. Pero ito, tatabi muna natin. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. Let's make another one. So you can make like an entire party. Ito lang yung papakain mo. Yan. So dapat ang rice, medyo manipis lang siya, not too thick. And now I will do my, ito siya, yung aking Korean pickled radish. I will add my crab stick. Ano pa natin ilalagay? I will put a little bit of Sriracha dito. And I will add my tuna. And to my tuna, I will also sprinkle sesame seeds. And we're ready to roll. Dapat alalay, roll, roll, roll. Press, press, press. Press, no? Make sure to secure. Look at that. Secured na siya. Second, tuna and crab stick. Third one. Ito naman siya, parang breakfast. Oh. It can go well with anything, no? Mga Korean. Yung soup mo, yung noodles. Now, breakfast kunwari yung gagawin natin. Ang ating luncheon meat. May egg. Lalagyan natin ng beef. Lalagyan ko ng sesame seeds. Lalagyan ko ng Sriracha. Tuna. Ito lang yung lalagay ko. Green kunwari para healthy. And are you ready to roll? I'm ready to roll. Again, press down, no? Kailangan mo i-press down. Beautiful! And I will just brush with sesame oil, no? Yung seaweed part natin. And I will just sprinkle some sesame seeds. And now we're ready to slice. So how do you slice it? What you do, meron kang baso na may tubig. Yan. Just wipe. Pag binasa mo yung knife mo, mangyayari ay it will allow you to just slide through your kimbap beautifully. So let's make our dipping sauce, our sausawan. We use Korean soy sauce or regular soy sauce, sugar, rice wine vinegar or suka, sesame oil, and toasted sesame seeds. Optional yan. Look at that, no? Very simple sauce to make. Add it, add it, add it. Slice ako ng konti kasi titikman ko din with our sauce. Taste natin with the sauce. Sarap! Minsan sobrang nakakatamad pag umuulan kaya wag nang lumabas. Ito na yung gawin nyo with your family. At ito na ang ating assorted kimbap. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!